Hey there everyone, my name is Pritam and I welcome you all to this channel. In this video, I am super excited to talk about a text to AI image generator, or we can say prompt to image generator, that can generate pictures that are so realistic that you may not able to recognize whether that it is AI generated or really a digital click. So without further ado, let's dive in. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open my browser first. So there we go. And actually I already have opened that website, so let me place it here. So this is basically Stable Diffusion XL. What does this mean? Which seems like a variant of free open source Stable Diffusion. So let's leave it aside and let's try to generate some cool picture. For example, Elon Musk sitting in Tesla, or maybe I want him to sit in hydrogen fuel cell car. Let's say Toyota Mirai, because he hate it, and maybe you will find this picture pretty rare as he do not like hydrogen fuel cell. And then after writing prompt, we need to select the style. And this is really awesome guys, because you do not need to remember the syntax of those pretty complicated prompt. You just need to look for the style what you are actually looking for. So let me go with photographic. I think this style will fit nice based on the context. Now let's click here on generate. And since we are using free version, so it may take a while to generate these pictures. So this is going to take some time to generate these pictures. So let's just wait for a while. And there we go. Here we can see how realistic this image look like, and whenever we click on any image, it will actually upscale and then you can easily download it in one click. Now you tell me guys, how good this image look like? Isn't it cool guys? And then let me actually change the type. This time let's go with cinematic, and I also would like to write Mirai in blue color with hydrogen badging with FCEV badging. Okay, and now let's click on regenerate. And there we go. We can see Elon Musk sitting inside a blue car. And this one really looked pretty nice, I would say. Let me try with another keyword. For example, Elon Musk in style of 18th century dress. And there we have it. You can see how capable this AI image generator is, and able to generate such a sharp, detailed image. And that too without writing too much complicated prompt. Just need to write simple prompt and need to select the style, and that's it, you are good to go. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more such content, and I will catch you soon in my next video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.